Morning students, in the previous class we had studied about like methods and media. We started with methods and media of health education, where I have started with methods, like where I have completed with methods of health education and started with media of health education. Now we continue with the same topic, that is media of health education, where we started with blackboard. We'll see what is this blackboard, what are the things that has been there blackboard. So हम लोग ने पिछले क्लास में मेथड्स एंड मीडिया ऑफ हेल्थ एजुकेशन पढ़ाया था मैंने, मतलब मेथड्स ऑफ हेल्थ एजुकेशन मैंने पूरा पढ़ाया था. अब मीडिया ऑफ हेल्थ एजुकेशन स्टार्ट किया था, जिसमें मैंने पहले मतलब AVH के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे हम लोग. तो डिफरेंट AVH के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, जिसमें हम लोगों ने ब्लैक बोर्ड के बारे में पढ़ा था. तो नाउ विल स्टार्ट विद दी लाइक द कंटिन्यू विद द सेम टॉपिक where we have seen like blackboard, where we are studying about blackboard. Now we'll see how effectively we can use this blackboard, like what are the effective, like how tips for using this blackboard effectively. So first is simplicity. So in case of the simplicity, so you have to, when you are using the board, okay, when you are using the board, if it should be simple, okay, so that the students can understand or the people can understand what exactly you want to tell. So in that, so first is simplicity. So the words which you are using, see that you use keywords will be written. Write the key points and not long sentences. Okay, write the key points and not the long sentences, so that it will be easy for the students to understand. Okay, it will be easy for the students to understand, or when you are giving health education, they will be able to understand what exactly you want to tell. So that is, you write key points rather than long sentences, because if it is long sentences, they'll not be having so interest to study the whole long sentences. Like if it is small words, if you write, or key points if you write, they'll be having interest to study that. So that therefore you see that you write only the key points, not the long sentences. Next, do not use non-standardized abbreviation. Okay, use abbreviations which the people, when you are giving health education, they understand or they know. Only use that type of abbreviation. Don't write abbreviations which they doesn't know. Okay, don't write the abbreviations which they doesn't know. So that is usually you don't use non-standardized abbreviation. So next, develop the concept on the board to teach. Okay, so develop the concept on the board as you teach. Okay, so whatever the thing it is, that when you teach, see that you write it on the board. Okay, develop the concept on the board as you teach. So it is as you teach, see that you will write the things, whatever you are teaching, it should be written on the board. Okay, it should be written on the board. So that is usually there. And see that after each words or after each concept or after each teaching, you like use each teaching. Okay, for each teaching you see that you use a clean board. Okay, for each teaching you see that you use a clean board. So that is usually about this thing. So simplicity, where we will be writing about the key points, as well as we have to should not use long sentences, then do not use non-standardized abbreviation, and also develop the concept on the board as you teach, and then use a clean board for new concept. So this is about the simplicity. So that is usually what is that. तो पहला हो गया टिप्स, हम लोग मतलब इफेक्टिव यूज ब्लैकबोर्ड को इफेक्टिवली यूज़ करने के लिए जो हम लोग टिप्स देखना है, तो वो देखते हैं. पहला हो गया सिंप्लिसिटी. तो सिंप्लिसिटी में क्या करना है, हम लोगों को बड़ा बड़ा सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिखना है, छोटा सा मतलब की पॉइंट्स अगर हम लोग लिखेंगे तो उन लोगों को भी मतलब पढ़ने में ईजी होगी और समझने में भी आसानी होगी. लॉन्ग सेंटेंस वो लोग मतलब इतना लंबा चौड़ा सा आप लोग बोर्ड में लिखोगे तो वो लोग पढ़ेंगे नहीं, मूड भी नहीं होगा उन लोगों को पढ़ने के लिए. तो आप लोग देखोगे कि सिर्फ कुछ की पॉइंट्स लिखोगे आप उसमें. उसके बाद एब्रीवेशंस जब यूज़ करोगे, मतलब जो वर्ड्स उन लोगों को पसंद नहीं आता है, ऐसे एब्रीवेशंस मत लिखिए, जो आता है वो लिख सकते हो आप लोग. और जब आप लोग पढ़ा रहे हो, सीधा जब आप लोग पढ़ाते ही देखो कि आप लोग अच्छे से बोर्ड यूज़ करोगे. और ईच टाइम मतलब जब भी आप लोग कुछ पढ़ा रहे देखिए कि आप लोग क्लीन बोर्ड को यूज़ करेंगे, ताकि आप लोग क्लीन बोर्ड को यूज़ करेंगे. सो दैट इज यूजुअली अबाउट द सिंप्लिसिटी. सो नेक्स्ट इज लेजिबिलिटी. So in case of this legibility, so you have to write sufficiently large letters. Okay, you have to write sufficiently large letters. That is, make use of that, you will write large letters. Then colored white chalk. Okay, if it is like you can use some white colored chalks. Don't use chalk pieces or chalk like which is not able to, they will not be able to understand, or if it is like better use white chalks. So that is legible, it will be legible. So that is usually about this लेजिबिलिटी. सो लेजिबिलिटी में हो गया मतलब हम लोगों को बड़ा सा लेटर लेना है, मतलब छोटे अक्षर मत लिखिए, जो भी होगा कुछ बड़ा सा अक्षर लिखिए. छोटे अक्षर मतलब जब आप लोग लिख रहे हो तो छोटे अक्षर मत लिखिए, बड़ा सा अक्षर लिखिए ताकि उन लोगों को समझ में आए. उसके बाद आप लोग देखो कि वाइट कलर चॉक्स यूज़ करेंगे, या कलर जैसे कि आपको पता ही होगा, अगर मतलब आप लोगों को पता होगा ना, कलर चॉक में इतना अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं देता पीछे तरफ तक. तो अगर आप लोग वाइट चॉक में दिखाई देगा तो वो अच्छे से दिखाई देगा पीछे की तरफ तक. सो इसलिए आप लोग वाइट कलर तो लेजिबल रहेगा. सो दैट इज यूजुअली अबाउट दिस. नेक्स्ट इज अदर एस्पेक्ट्स. सो इन दिस यूजुअली व्हाट हैपन, सो यूज बोथ only that area, like area in the board, you have to use only that area which is visible to everyone. Okay, use that area which is visible to everyone. So if they are not able to visible, like down part, like when you are writing on the below of the board, okay, when you are writing at the below of the board, they will not, few people will not be able to see, or like last benches or last people who are sitting in the benches, last benches, so they will not be able to see the words which is written in the below. So therefore use the words, use the area where they can clearly see. So that is usually there. And then illumination, like if they want to visible correctly, then good illumination should be see that you all switch on the light so that everybody will be easily visualizing the thing. So that is usually about this. So this is about this other aspects, where ये दूसरा other aspects है जहाँ पे हम लोगों को बोर्ड में उसी एरिया को यूज़ करना है जहाँ पे वो अच्छे से दिखाई देता है, और अगर अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं देता तो लाइट्स का फैसिलिटीज़ हम लोग ऑन कर सकते हैं, लाइट्स को ऑन कर सकते हैं ताकि सबको अच्छे से दिखाई दे. सो दैट इज़ यूजली देयर. सो देन और बोर्ड को सिस्टमैटिकली यूज़ करें, इधर एक वर्ड, उधर एक वर्ड, वहाँ पे ऊपर एक वर्ड, मतलब नीचे एक वर्ड, ऐसे अनसिस्टमैटिकली मत यूज़ करना है, पूरा का पूरा सिस्टमैटिकली यूज़ करना है. सो दैट इज़ यूजली व्हाट हैपन, यूज़ द बोर्ड सिस्टमैटिकली. Like don't write here and there. So there should be continuation. When you started on the one side of the board, see that you will write on the one side of the board, then move on to the next side of the board. So that is usually about this thing. Then do not talk while you are writing on the board. जब आप लोग बोर्ड में लिख रहे हो, देखो कि आप लोग बातें ना करेंगे. So that is when you are writing on the board, see that you will not talk more. And then after each lecture, okay, after each lecture clean the board. Okay, अगर एक लेक्चर के बाद देखना कि आप लोग बोर्ड की सफाई करें. So that is usually there. And move, then when you are writing, see that you move how you are writing. Don't stand at one side and don't be writing, stretching your hand and write that. So when you are writing, move according to how you are writing. So मतलब जब आप लोग उसी के साथ आप लोग move करिएगा. So that is usually same. And then after writing on the board, okay, after writing on the board, stand on the one side, stand on this side, okay, stand at the side, so that whatever you have written, they will be able to take down. Okay, they will be able to take down. अगर आप लोगों ने लिखा है, देखिए कि आप लोग जो लिखा है उसको लिखने के बाद आप लोग एक साइड में खड़े रहिएगा. तो लिखने के बाद आप लोग साइड में खड़े रहिएगा ताकि उन जो अभी आप लोगों ने लिखा है वो उन लोगों को दिखाई दे और वो लोग खुद से लिख सके. ओके, खुद से लिख सके. सो दैट इज यूजुअली अबाउट दिस effective, like tips for making use of blackboard effectively. So that is usually simplicity, legibility, other aspects. So all these are usually the aspects that is usually about this blackboard. So this is usually about this AV8, that is blackboard. So next is charts. So what is this chart? Chart, it is nothing but visual presentation of diagram, graph, picture or words. Okay, chart is nothing but visual presentation of diagram, graph, picture or words. Okay, charts, it is nothing but visual presentation of the diagram, graph, picture or words. So that is usually about this chart. So this is usually they can present the data with the help of this chart. Okay, they can present the data in this chart. Okay, they will be presenting the data on this chart. So that is usually there. So what are the advantages of this charts is that we can give adequate information. Okay, we can pass adequate information to the people in a summarized manner, as well as it is usually then, and we can show the comparison. Okay, we can show the relationship, or like comparison can be thought nicely with the help of the chart. And then it will be able to, like, it provides the facilities for discussion about the problem. Okay, discussion about the problem. So it facilitates discussion about the problem. So that is usually there, and it usually creates interest. Okay, it usually creates interest, attention, and motivates the people. Okay, it creates interest, attention, as well as motivates the people. Okay, so that is usually about this advantages of this chart. So charts वो होता है जहाँ पे हम लोग डायग्राम प्रेजेंट, मतलब डायग्राम, ग्राफ, नोट्स, ये जो भी रूटिंग होता है वो हम लोग प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. मतलब विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन है, चार्ट एक विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन है. इसका एडवांटेजेस क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ पे जो हम लोग एक कंपैरिजन करना है वो हम लोग अच्छे से दिखा सकते हैं, और अगर उनको डिस्कशन करने के लिए अच्छा तरीका है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करता है चार्ट से. मतलब जो ब्लैक बोर्ड लिखने से, मतलब चार्ट्स में हम लोग दिखाएंगे तो ईजी से समझ में आता है सबको, इसलिए चार्ट्स इज यूजुअली दैट टाइप थिंग. दैट इज यूजुअली. So next is types of charts. So there are different types of charts like developmental charts, pictorial charts, tabular charts, flow chart, skill charts. Okay, there are different types of charts. Okay, so first is developmental charts. So developmental charts, it is usually the progress chart. Okay, it is also known as progress chart. So like time chart, which are used for showing the sequence of time in a chronological order. Okay, in the chronological order. So that is usually it is sequence chart, where it is usually what are the things that we have to show, it will be shown in the chronological order. So that is usually there. So So next is pictorial charts. So pictorial charts are those charts which usually are like illustration. Okay, this usually makes you like understand by pictorial charts. These are charts which are usually used for facts. Okay, for presenting facts through understanding the illustration. Okay, this usually by giving certain examples we can understand the facts. So it is pictorial charts. Like tabular charts, it is usually it is a form to bring out mass of related data. Okay, tabular charts is the data which is collected will be tabulated and it will be shown to the also it is tabular chart. Flow chart, it is usually to show the progress of the sequence. Okay, flow chart is nothing but the progress of the sequence. So that is usually there, and skill chart is nothing but the experience chart. Okay, it is skill chart is the experience. It is orderly presentation of the skills. Okay, it is the orderly presentation of the skills. So that is usually a different types of charts. So it is developmental chart where it is usually progress chart where it is usually gives about shows about the time chart. That is it is in order to arrange it in a chronological order. Okay, in the chronological order. So that is usually there. So next pictorial charts. So pictorial charts is a chart used to present facts. Okay, these are the charts which is used to present facts. Next tabular chart, it is usually the things that has been collected, it will be placed in the compact form. Okay, it will be placed in the compact form. Skill chart, it is usually which shows about the experience or the pattern like experience which we have gained. So all this thing it is usually skill chart. Okay, these are usually the different charts which has been present. So that is usually about this charts. So next is flashcards. So flashcards, it is similar purpose like flip charts. Okay, it is similar to that of the flip charts. So they are smaller than flip charts. Okay, flashcards are similar to that of flip chart, but they are smaller than flip charts. They are smaller than flip charts. Okay, so it is similar to that of flip charts, and it is usually smaller than flip charts. So what is flip chart? Next, I'll tell you what is exactly this flip chart. But they are smaller than that flip chart. Okay, मतलब फ्लैश कार्ड flip chart की तरह होता है, मगर वो उससे छोटा होता है, उससे छोटा है. They are useful in small groups. Okay, health education जब like when you are giving, so it will be useful only we are giving health education in a small group. Okay, it is usually helpful for giving when you are giving health education in a small group. The teacher can show each card. Okay, the teacher can show each card and illustrate particularly like discussion कर सकते हैं. मतलब they can go with discussing. That is each chart they will show to the each card they will show to the public and they will go with discussion. So that is